Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. Now in this video I'm going to be giving you all some recommendations to buy from Amazon. They are running their sale right now and I did not have anything on my mind like doing this video, but when I opened Amazon this morning and I saw some great products on amazing offers, then I thought, okay, it's time to sit down and make a video and give you all some great recommendations to buy in this price, like in this amazing price. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin. First, in no particular order, I'm going to just give you all recommendations that all these products are like my favorite products and these are on great discounts. So yeah, I'll be putting pictures of those products over here. Okay, first we have Bodywise 20% Urea food cream roll on. Now this is a product which is a food cream in the form of a roll on. Okay, you just need to wash your feet and just do this on your feet. If you have very dry and cracked feet, this can be of great help. This has got 20% urea in it and it also has 2% lactic acid. I use it 2 to 3 times per week. For me it's enough. Rest I use a normal body lotion. I have very dry feet. It is helping my feet a lot, so that's why I thought of giving you all this recommendation. Urea is a NMF, which means natural moisturizing factors. Your skin or your body already have urea in it. It will urea in general will help to keep your skin moisturized and it will also support your barrier. Using it in the form of product will help in moisturizing your feet and also it will help in repairing the skin on your feet. Okay, it really helps. This product really works. And next comes Dr. Sheth lip balm. I have it over here, like it was lying over here. Where is it? So yeah, the packaging actually came off. There will be an applicator over here. This is by far the best SPF based lip balm that I've ever used. Many times SPF based lip balms will not hydrate your lips really well, but this intensely hydrates while giving you the protection. I'm not really sure about the lip pigmentation claim over here, but it's a very good SPF based lip balm. Use it in the daytime. And next comes Pilgrim 5% ceramide moisturizer. This is something that I have ordered. I used the dot and key one, but for some reason this dot and key in the recent times is burning my eyes a lot, so I wanted a replacement and I saw this on great offer. I'm going to place my order for this. I just thought of giving you all the recommendation. I heard great things from my trusty YouTubers like Shweta Vijay, so I'm really going to place my order for this. Next comes the best primer for oily skin, and you're going to get this under rupees 300, like for 297. This is 52% off. So if you have oily skin looking for a nice mattifying primer, go for this, especially for the upcoming season, which is summer in Chennai, especially in South India. It's going to be very hot. If you're someone who wants a nice primer, go for this. Next is this Foxtail Nourishing Face Moisturizer. This is their niacinamide based moisturizer. This is the one I use under makeup, and this moisturizer, the texture of this moisturizer is very beautiful. The moment it comes in contact with your skin, it's going to melt like a butter on tawa. It will melt very beautifully and it will hydrate your skin. It will not feel very heavy. It works beautiful under makeup. This is the moisturizer I use under my makeup. It's very beautiful. It hydrates. It has got niacinamide, which is going to delay the process of oil production and also oxidation. So it's a very good moisturizer. So it's for just rupees 194. With coupon you get it for 192, it seems. And next, this Foxtail Triacenomic Acid Serum. Seriously, I've spoken enough about this serum. I'll leave my shot over here. You can see how this serum helped with my dark spots. If you have dark spots, you can definitely go for this serum. Next is Plum Body Lovin' Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. Now I'm not a body lotion person, but I've started loving this Plum Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. The fragrance is very beautiful and it's very light on the skin. It even suits the summer times as well. So if you're looking for a very good body lotion, then you can go for this. You get this for about 356, which is a good price according to me. You also get in different sizes, so you can definitely check the sizes as well. Okay, and next is Pilgrim 5% niacinamide oil free super light gel sunscreen. It's their recent launch. If you are following me on my Instagram, you would have seen me using this. I have uploaded the real time blending of this sunscreen. This is a dry touch matte formula, which means that once you blend it up, once you let it set for about 2 minutes, you will feel that it will give you a nice matte cast. It won't feel oily or anything like that. If you have oily skin or if you want a matte finish sunscreen, then go for this. The Pilgrim patented a technology, it seems like, called UVX technology. They have used that technology over here, and it's a very good sunscreen, guys. Like, if you have used deconstruct gel sunscreen, this actually feels like the same. Okay, so it's a very good sunscreen. If you are looking for a matte finish sunscreen, then go for this one. And next is Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Concealer. This is one of my favorite, and it has got great coverage, stays for so long. Actually, I'm in the shade C 13.2. It's not I am in the shade. You only get 13.2 in India when it comes to Makeup Revolution. So it's a very good match for my skin. It's a warm undertoned concealer, so it's great for covering my dark circles and all. Very good sunscreen at a great price. You are going to get this for $3.96. Like, if you find this in the same price, grab it. Next comes Foxtail SPF 70 niacinamide matte sunscreen. Yet another sunscreen for oily skin people and people who love matte finish products. It's almost like a lotion, but it's very light. Like, it's almost like a lotion. It will again blend very easily. And if you're someone who is a field worker, like if you go out often and work, then wearing SPF 70 base sunscreen is very helpful. So yeah, try this again on a great offer, 367 rupees. Bang on. Next comes Wishcare Tinted Lip Balm. This is for about $339 or so, right? I showed the price. But if you want something that's more affordable, then go for this Wishcare one. You're going to get it for 180 rupees. A good lip balm which with SPF, and it's not that hydrating like the Dr. Sheth's one, but a decent hydrating lip balm. Something that I really enjoy using. If you want a little bit of tint on your lips, then this is the one to go for. If you don't have lips that are too chapped, or if you don't have lips that needs intense hydration, then you can actually go for this. If you need a lip balm that will hydrate your lips intensely and also protect it from sun, then this is the one to go for. If you want to make this more intensely hydrating, then apply Vaseline and then top it with this Wishcare lip balm. Next comes Cosrx AHA BHA treatment toner. Now you can also go for their Blackhead Power Liquid. That is for someone who is used to chemical exfoliation, but this is for people who are new to exfoliation, like chemical exfoliation. Okay, this has got 0.5% AHA and 0.5% BHA. It's great to exfoliate your skin. You can use it even on a daily basis because the concentration here is very less. Even in face washes, you get 2% concentration as well, but here it's very low. So if you are starting with exfoliation, you can grab this one. You get 150 ml of product for 709 rupees. If you have the budget, then go for this. If not, then I only have face wash recommendation with 0.5% salicylic acid, so it's deconstruct one. You can go for this. And one more face wash with glycolic acid is Dr. Sheth's Gulab and glycolic acid. That's also something that I really love. And next is Love Earth Multi-Pot in shade Pink from Inside. It's a purple what is that tint, but on your face it's going to, like, if you are near my skin tone, on your face it's going to look like nice pink blush. And if you apply it on your lips, like, you just have to take a little bit and dab it on your lips, it's going to look like a nice pink flush on your lips as well. A great product. It is like matte finish pot. Many times you can't find a matte finish lip and cheek tint. This actually gives that kind of a matte finish. And next two products are from Makeup Revolution. One is this Makeup Revolution's Infinite Mattifying Setting Spray. This is a matte setting spray, again perfect for summer season. It's not going to make your makeup look matte for 16 hours. What it does is it makes your makeup last longer. Okay, if you want a complete matte makeup, you just need to touch up every now and then in summer especially to make your skin look matte all through the day. It's a very good setting mist. You get it for about 356 with coupon. And next is Makeup Revolution bronzer. I'm in the shade Oasis. Again, there's only one shade that will suit me. It's not that I don't have the privilege of going around and choosing a shade, especially in bronzers. Okay, so Oasis works well for me. One thing that I really love about Makeup Revolution's Oasis bronzer, and I also have their face palette, the bronzer in it also works really great. The undertone of these bronzers are really good. Makeup Revolution knows its bronzers undertone. Like, bronzer from Makeup Revolution is one of their underrated products, I would say. Like, they nail their undertone. Sometimes it's too cool, sometimes it's too warm, but they have the perfect neutral thing spot on. So it's great if you're near to my skin tone. Then this bronzer in shade Oasis will be a great option. This is just for rupees 189. For the quality that you're gonna get, it's steal. Next comes Lakme Priming Plus Matte Foundation in shade Cool Cocoa. Again, that's the only shade for me. I have neutral undertone, but I use this cool undertone. It works for me. Okay, this particular shade works for me. If at all I need to warm it up a bit, I can add an orange corrector to it. So yeah, it works for me, and it is on a great offer. You get this for 227 rupees. Great. Like, a very good foundation, lasts very long. It is also blurring. Like, if you have textured skin, it's going to blur a bit. It's a very good foundation. And next comes Just Herbs Roll On. Now it says it's for men, but I'm using this one. This is in the fragrance Musk Divine. They also have 2 more fragrances. This is, I personally feel, the fragrance takes me back to my childhood, so I love it so much because of that reason. So I'm recommending it. If you're looking for a very good deo, you can go for this. And especially Just Herbs, they are great with their ingredient list, so you can trust them with your underarm roll on and all. So yeah, very good fragrance, like very good fragrance, guys. And next, if you have frizzy hair condition, then this mask is your go-to. This is Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil and Lavender Hair Mask. Great for frizzy and dry hair types. It's on a great offer. So if you find it in the same price, grab it, okay? And next comes Foxtail SPF 50 Glow Sunscreen. And I mean, there are a few of you who wants a nice radiant finish all through the day. If you are someone like that who loves dewy finish, then you can go for this Glow Sunscreen. It's very good. And also their Glow Moisturizer is something that will give you that radiant finish. Both of them are really great. And the last product is from Swiss Beauty. It's their Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and you are going to get this for about 230 rupees. Like, this is the best palette, you guys. The pigmentation, the blendability, and the shades that you're gonna get, all these are like great. Like, you get 9 pan for just rupees 230. You just need to own one of these palettes, like any one shade as per your choice, and you are done with your, you're done. Like, you are settled down in terms of eyeshadow for the rest of your life. Like, it's a very good eyeshadow palette. It's my go-to. I have many eyeshadow palettes, but this is the first palette that I always reach out to. Like, my hands automatically goes to this palette. That's how beautiful it is. I've always recommended this. A very good eyeshadow palette. I highly recommend it. So those were my recommendations. I really hope you all found this helpful. I got a suggestion to add hand swatches in my last recommendation video. This time, due to the time things, I couldn't do it. Next recommendation, I will definitely do it for you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this informative and helpful. So yeah, I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.